Trimble's premier routing and scheduling dispatch platforms that maximize fleet utilization. Trimble Maps' Appian, DirectRoute, and DRTrack solutions enable fleet operators to build and edit multi-stop route plans. These industry-leading tools combine an intuitive user interface with configurable workflows to create a powerful yet straightforward planning platform. Whether you're working with fixed routes and managing exceptions based on order volume, or routing orders dynamically, Trimble's operational routing tools will meet your fleet's specific operational requirements. One of the most important features of Trimble's operational routing tools is flexibility. DRTrack is a web-based offering built for simple route plotting. DirectRoute is an on-premise tool that offers a more robust experience for all use cases. Routes planned in either application are dispatched from DRTrack. Load planners can use the application that best fits their needs. In addition to basic route planning, more specialized planning tools are also available. For example, calendar-based manual planning is an optional feature frequently used by fleets who deliver building supplies. DirectRoute and DRTrack are built on an algorithm that solves complex routing issues, combining daily orders and available assets to create an easily manageable strategic route plan. This algorithm adheres to operational constraints such as maximum work time and drive time windows and service level agreements, trailer capacity, layover and break rules, and special equipment types. Thanks to this feature, users are free to plot routes based on their own experience or preferences, but can feel confident knowing their decisions are backed by other data points. Once a route has been planned and dispatched, fleets can start driver workflows, capture plan versus actual information, send notifications to their customers for ETAs and late delivery, and compile that data for reporting. Ensuring your fleet's efficiency and ability to provide excellent customer service is a crucial part of your success. Leverage Trimble's suite of vehicle routing and dispatch software with DirectRoute and DRTrack.